Oh, there we go. I got something. What is this? Oh. What's up, everybody? Today I'm just fishing the creek up here in Hendersonville. I haven't been here in a long time. The water is up a little due to post-hurricane type weather we've had up here in Tennessee the last few days, and the water's up. It's moving really good. I thought it was going to be really low when I came in at the front, but it looks like it's going to be really nice. I just got to find a way to get to these deep pockets without, you know, going in up too high. So wish me luck. We'll see you out here. Let's do it. I do have two rods with me today. I've been debating whether to take two as I walk through the creek because it's a pain sometimes. You gotta set one down to cast or whatever. Probably gonna shoot it across the bank a little bit and drag it through the moving water here. Water's probably gonna move it for me anyway. Morning. How's it going? Hey, pups. Hey. So I've never been back this direction. I've always just walked up the creek, but I haven't done it very much. Trying to find a little cut through. Find some semi-calm water. Getting in a nice brisk walk this morning. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, I might be able to get up that way if I can get across. Right now I'm going to go this direction, I think, and see if there's a calm spot like right over there. Find me some eddies. Watching for snakes. Oh yeah, here we go. See if we can find something in here. Is it a bump? That was a bump for sure. Come on, dude. That's a tiny little bait. You gotta be able to eat that. I don't know how good this picture is gonna be. The rain hitting it. Alright, we're gonna try this little guy real quick. Didn't get any. I got some bumps, I mean, on the Pilgrimite, but couldn't get anything to stay on, so I don't know if I can cast this one far enough either, so I'm going to walk down that way in a minute. There's a little pool down there. It looks like if I can get across there. Oh, there we go. I got something. What is this? Oh. Rock bass, baby. Rock bass, baby. Rock bass, that's where it's at. Rock bass. Oh, I probably can't do that. I can. That's a rock bass. I'm not doing the other song. Sweet. First fish of the day. Right over here on the little. And I'll show y'all what this is. It's one of the things I was using the other day. Just this little bitty guy. Kind of downsized. Went to that. I couldn't get anything on the crawl. Sweet. That's a fish. That's a decent little fish. We got a smallie or another rock. Ooh, that's a good rock bass. That's an eater. Nice. Yeah, everybody, thank you. Range is decent. Nice little rock bass. Thank you, buddy. Well, I thought it was rolling. Tiny little bass. Alright, going back in. Oh, I lost him. Oh no. How did that happen? Sheesh. Dang it, that was a decent little fish. Well, the sun is out, but there's some clouds back there, so I'm going to try to move it and get around these rapids and get into a different spot. Oh, there we go. There we go. Finally, another fish. Ooh. Oh, nice. Huh. That's a little green sunfish, maybe. Let's see. Yep. Nice. Oh, green sunfish. Later, buddy. Thank you. I tell you, this little lure is getting it done. That's my first fish in a minute. Man, I've been walking quite a ways. I have not had a hit in a while.